Welcome to the Oregon coast. I don't know if we were running up these dunes because we were so excited or because that grass is really sharp. We all were smiling and happy, and then the wind really kicked up and we were just trying to stand. It was so fun. It was great that we were together.
Where are you right now, Jill?
I'm on the Oregon coast!
Are you having a good time?
It's so great! I love the beach!
Isn't this like the best place in the world?
It is! My legs stink because the sand is whipping and I can't see anything because the wind is whipping, but we're having fun!
It always amazes me how big and vast and empty these beaches are. Instead of just having a beach umbrella, you need to make a full shelter. And the wind was whipping. It was a great day at the beach. Thankfully, we left when we still were not fully sandblasted.